Alright guys, what is up? It's Vinny here, or Main Vin, whatever you want to call me. But I'm here with a DFS. If you watched a couple videos ago, I got cleaned. I got 1 mil right there. That's about it, man. I literally I rage staked too much, and now I'm paying the price for it, basically. So I'm just gonna stake the DFS and see where that takes us. Alright, one of those old-fashioned boxing DFS, boxing, or mage box, or rap DFS. Box, mage box, or rap DFS. Box, rap, or mage box DFS. No one wants to fucking do it. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now if I don't find someone to fucking do this with. Box or mage box or rap DFS. We'll do 460 mil. Box or mage box or rap DFS. 60 mil. Hey, let's see if this I don't think it does it. I got Santa X. Where? Alright, let's see what he got. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's good. I'll do that. I don't want to lose. I really don't want to lose. Fuck. Alright. Let's do this. GL, man. Might as well say how do you do. Oh my god, we're losing bad. This would happen. He's just not gonna stop hitting. And every time I hit, he's gonna hit. Yep. Told you. No. And then I hit low numbers like that. Come on. Keep that 70. Come on. Come on. Big comeback. This would be a good comeback, actually. This really would be. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. I hate staking so much. I just want to... I'm gonna pull a Calie, I swear to god. I'm just gonna go take a piss. Next stake if I win. Just gonna fucking go take a nice piss. And we won. Oh my god. Whew. Thank god. Wow. Alright. 40 mil. Well, 60 mil. Alright. Wow. Okay. Got 100 mil. Let's do the box. DFS. Box or wrap or mage box. DFS. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and make my bank back. I really am. I'm gonna make it to 1 bill. And I'm gonna try to really make my bank back here. I might even go do Frost Dragons later. I don't know. But I really want that bank back so bad. Alright, cool. We get another DFS if we get this. I got skills with that, man. I got skills. Oh, we're doing mage. Shit. I don't really like mage boxing. Ever. Doesn't work in my favor. Ever. Yep. Oh. No. Yeah. I figured. I'm gonna stop hitting now and he's never gonna stop hitting. That's how it always goes for me. Yep. Yeah. 280. Look at that. Oh my god. Are you serious? For real, man. For real. For real. Come on. Just KO right here. Thank you. Oh my god, I won a mage box. That's amazing, actually. Okay, so we basically just tripled my bank. I'll route for 20 mil. Oh my god. Every stake is like a needle. in my heart. It sucks. Badly. You do 20 mil and I'll do a Fury. It sounds about balanced. Balanced. I'm playing too much WoW lately. Oh, by the way, if you want to see those WoW vids, drop a like, man. Just drop a like, maybe even a favorite, maybe even a sub. And I'll do WoW vids too. I do a lot of arena. I'm actually not that bad. I wouldn't say I'm bad. Damn it. Damn it, I had Pit and I just gave it up. Motherfucker. Wow. 250 pluses. Oh my god. Yeah, I got raped. Wow. Raped. It's not even like that was fair. That was just not fair. Box or rep or mage box. DFS. Box or mage box or rep. DFS. DFS. I don't even know what to do, man. I might just call it and go make money somehow. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Alright, I'll mage box 2 Furies. I'll do that. And then that's it. I'm done. Oh man, I didn't even notice I had weapon on. I'm bad. I'm very bad. Shit. Wow, that was weird. We both didn't hit for like 5 hours. I don't know if he chose to do that, or what went down in his head, but it worked. Come on, 2 Furies, 2 Furies. Just lost one. We'll be 1 Fury up. And yes, we won. Wow. That's really weird. Because I never win. As you can tell from my videos, I never win, right? Okay, let's see what he puts in for this. Let's see. Alright, that's 90 mil. Fuck did you do there? I don't even know what you did there. Let's put in 2 and 5. Let's see what he does for that. Will he do that? Because I'll do that. He wants the mage box. I'm gonna roll with mage box. Get the mage box. No, I'm gonna do that. Yo, he has weapon on. I'm gonna do this. Because I have a chaotic staff. No, I missed. Ooh, ooh. It's okay. I hit. Oh, I'm hitting. Oh, we're about to get 225 mil. He tried scamming, it wasn't me. Oh, what? No. He had a 347. That was weird. I don't hit that shit. And I was hitting him first. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm not hitting anymore. Oh fuck. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh shit. Let me get that out of the way for you. Come on. Yes, we're gonna win. Oh my god. Yes, come on. Yes. Nice try. Haha. I'm gonna end it there. Guys. Good job on my part. I'll make another vid soon. Peace.